Oh my God. Oh, look. Oh my God, he's right there. I'm glad he's not next to my car. Holy moly. The whole car is surrounded by that. That is freaking. Oh my God.
That's not cool.
That's the position you're trying to get into, guys.
I hear you, man.
Don't move.
Look at Lynette. Lynette doesn't have a clue.
Holy moly.
How'd you get the telephone call anyway?
Wait till it farts.
Wait till Lynette.
Holy crap. That is.
Look at Jet.
Look at.
I know. I think he's sitting 2 inches higher.
My heart is beating fast. I can't imagine what theirs are.
I wouldn't know like that.